Okay, welcome back. We've just drawn our lid. We've previously done our pencil box. Now we're starting the lid. Now we just need to draw a little handle in here. We're going to do something slightly different here, which probably won't make sense for this video, but it will in one of the upcoming videos. So anyway, we're going to create a sketch. What sketch plane are we going to use? We're going to use the top plane again. So even though it's hidden, we can still select it by clicking over here in the browser. And we're going to draw a rectangle. This rectangle is going to sit roughly that size. Try to make sure this rectangle doesn't touch the existing object. And we're going to use our dimension tool to set its size. This long dimension is going to be the same as the width of this, which was 85. So I've selected the dimension tool, click once on the long edge, click again, 85. Press enter, click once on the short edge. We're going to make this one 12. Press enter. That sketch is complete, so tick. We're going to extrude and we'll click on the shape. It's going to extrude a distance of 4 millimeters and it must be selecting new and tick. So we've got two parts now. We've got a lid. We're going to rename this one and call it, rename, handle. Of course, you may change the color if you wish by editing its appearance. That's it for this video, pretty short and sweet. We'll see you in the next one.